Hey, it's Dustin from salongrowthacademy.com, and I help salon and spa professionals grow their business and get more clients in their chair with websites and driving traffic to their website. So I make these videos because there's a lot of broke hairstylists out there, and I don't want you to be one of them. And so in this video, what we're going to do is we're just going to go to the northwest corner of the country, and we're going to look at a website that's where I went to college. And we're just going to look at a random website. I'm going to judge it, and then I'm going to show you the problems with it, and then what needs to be fixed, and a solution that you can have for your salon. And so if you're looking to build a website for your salon, this is going to be really informative. So let's just go to Salon in Bellingham, Washington. I'm going to click on this first one right here, Sandalwood Salon or Spa. There's 3 questions at every website that I want to ask immediately when I get there. There's 5 seconds that you have to be able to tell the customer that it's a hair salon, that you're going to provide a great service and a place that they can schedule an appointment. So right off the bat, I can tell it's a salon just by their logo. Their logo's right here. It says salon. Looking at the imagery, even though it's a really, really small hero image, I can tell that it's a salon. But when it comes time to scheduling an appointment, I don't see any button. I don't see any phone number right here. There's a ton of text, which is not a good thing. And I'm just looking for a phone number. So probably all the way at the bottom. There's the phone number. So that's not a good thing. You are not converting visitors into clients if you can't even give them, if they have to be searching of how to call you or how to contact you to schedule an appointment. It's a really, really bad thing. And you need to make it incredibly easy. So overall, just looking at this website, tons of text, nothing's really standing out to me. There's a couple photos that may or may not be relevant. They're not big. They're not high quality. I'm going to give this website a C+. It's not bad. Maybe a B-. It's not bad. It really has a 90s, early 2000s vibe going to it. It needs to be updated big time. These really small image scrollers like they have right here are something that definitely was used in the 90s and early 2000s. So let's go over to my website at salongrowthacademy.com/website. And you can go there to check this out if you want. This is the website that I'm making available to you right now if you want. So the things that make this website good are it does answer those questions. A beautiful image right here. Shows a girl with beautiful hair. It says, love your hair. So immediately I know it's a salon. You deserve to look and feel your best. I know immediately that this salon is going to provide a great hair service. And then there's a schedule an appointment online button right here for online scheduling. That is good. If we just do a little scan right here, you can see that there's not a ton of text. Every little section separates from each other, which makes it easy for users to scan because people don't read websites, they scan them. Gives them the 3 steps in order to do business or to schedule an appointment. And it's just a really nice looking website. The branding is good. I spent a lot of time on this. I was meticulous down to the word that was used. And so what I want to do is I want to offer you this website for your salon or your hair business or your spa. The reason I do this, I created what I call a templated website where I spent a lot of time on the front end just nitpicking every little section of this. There's a reason for each one of these sections. And it is designed to be able to convert visitors to your website into clients. And it does a really good job of doing this. I've used this style of website with this exact layout for the last 10 years in my salon. And we get 30 to 40 new clients per month. And so basically, if you want this website for yourself, I'm offering it for you. You just come to salongrowthacademy.com/website, click this green bar up here. It'll take you to a checkout page. $97 a month is all you're going to pay, and this website is yours. There's no upfront cost for this because I've already done the heavy lifting for you. That's already done. If you wanted a custom website, I can do that as well. Just go to my contact page on this website. That's going to cost a little bit more upfront because I'm actually designing it from the ground up. Usually $2,000 to get started, and then $97 a month once the website is built. But because this website is already built, if you're a small to medium-sized hair salon, you really don't need a custom website solution. All you need is something done for you, and this is done for you. We'll swap out your logo. I'll swap out your contact information, your online scheduling links, all that kind of stuff to make it your own. But this is already set up and ready to go, and it's beautiful. You don't have to think about it. And so if that's an option that seems good to you, if you already have a website and you want to update it, like these guys at Sandalwood Salon and Spa, they definitely need an update. This would be good for them. Or if you're new into your hair business and you're just getting started out, you don't have a website yet, this is a really great option too. I can have you, all you have to do, like I said, is just click the green bar right up here at the top, fill out your email, your payment information, and within a few days, you will literally have your own website up on the internet. So if you have any questions about that, post those in the comments section below, and I look forward to talking to you. Make today extraordinary.